Sometimes it feels like I'm all alone. Sometimes life just ain't enough. No matter what I do or where I go, it seems like I'm aiming far too
Morning, this is checkout time. Winnie is handling the checkout. I think it's all is good because it's checkout at our hotel for last night. In case if you ask us about this hotel, this is La Astoria Lombok City Hotel in Lombok in Mataram City. Cost us $40 per night, including the breakfast. Pretty nice hotel, city hotel, but it seems like it's very new inside. However, the building it's a little bit old, but nearly under the refurbishment. In case if you would like to stay somewhere in different vibe than Sengegi or Kuta Lombok. We're going now to airport. Our flight was rescheduled from 1:30 to 11:30, so earlier. But meanwhile, enjoy what we did last night because we did also a little bit of the filming last night, guys.
All right, guys. So we just arrived in one restaurant in Lombok, and then one thing about the culinary in Lombok, the most famous culinary is about Ayam Taliwang. So maybe in Bali you found Ayam Taliwang, but the original Ayam Taliwang is actually coming from Lombok. So now let's see how it is.
Alright, so we are in the very local restaurant in Mataram City in Lombok. We ordered some food. That's the menu in case if you would like to see and the prices. Local prices, local food. Yes, Sayang?
Yeah, so we will have Ayam Taliwang here. So yeah, let's see how it is, and special sambal. I'll show you.
Yeah, and this is like how does it look like the restaurant. There is like actually the sitting with the rice field view, and there are little gazebos and dip. We are sitting here just because they are keep us here. The fan is so hot, yes.
So this is the situation in the restaurant actually. So it's very local vibe, and you see that people surround with a family, they have a family gathering. Seems like this restaurant is ready for handling, you know, like a big group of people.
All right, the food arrived. That's my fish, and this is the Winnie special food.
Okay, makan cantik.
Too much heat, saya.
Okay, this one is original Ayam Taliwang from Lombok. So basically it's just like grilled fish with the spices. This one, the not grilled fish, grilled chicken. Oh my god.
Oh my god, you really like so much heat in Gili, right?
Yes. Okay, so they grill it, but the kind of chicken is actually small chicken. It's not like a big chicken. And then this one is the special sambal. It's called beberuk. This one original from Lombok. Let's try how spicy
I gotta
it is.
tell you, as this is all looks super spicy.
Yeah, and this one, this sambal is actually with the eggplant. You see that the purple one. I will just try a little bit. Spicy. And then we have a water spinach here. Sorry, I use my hand, but this is the best way. And this one, I have a sayur asam with the soup, with the tamarind in it, and also some spices. Let's try. Now let's try the chicken, of course, with the rice, and also with the sambal beberuk.
How is it, spicy? Do you
my
recommend to the people who will come to Lombok?
If you really wants to taste the original Ayam Taliwang, is here in Lombok. Highly recommended. And the spice is the local, very local taste. Maybe for Damian is already above his level.
In scale, 1 to 5, 4.5, 5. Say okay.
All right. So after we've got the spicy, super duper spicy Ayam Taliwang, so we think that we need to have a sweet dessert and maybe coffee.
They have a Starbucks here in Lombok. Can you imagine?
So yeah, we recommended by the staff in the hotel to go to the biggest mall in Lombok again, because only the, you know, like coffee shop, Starbucks or Jco, whatever it is there in the big epicentrum Lombok mall.
So this is Jco. Actually, really nice mall.
Yeah, because they said that this is the best mall in the
Lombok.
Mataram, or Lombok.
In Lombok Island. Actually, quite a lot of food section. Yeah, it's quite nice. I mean, this is small. Video like whenever you travel in outside Bali in Indonesia, you have to film the malls because the biggest attraction in Indonesia in general, they are malls. Well, when I was in Jakarta, I filmed a lot of malls. Remember, actually a lot. But yeah, that's how it is. Different cuisines here. I mean, in the mall in Mataram, definitely you can find different restaurants than in Bali Mall. That's for sure. That's what I already can see. Also, bread talk is in Singapore, by the way, in the malls in Singapore. And there is like food section. This is like a 3-story mall, optic stuff like this. Honey, but we come here not for shopping, all right?
No.
No, for shopping.
Let's have a dessert.
Dessert. We are looking for dessert, not for shopping.
Okay guys, so I decided to take a Jeko donut and coffee because I need something sweet. So yeah, you see how busy it is. In queue.
Good luck with the queue. I'm gonna show you a little bit around, guys. Jeko, and we're gonna have a seat. All right. So tell me nicely what's happened with the Jeko.
I was in the long queue and then there are so many ladies just coming in front of me, keep coming in front of me without, staying in the line. So I just got pissed off and then I'm out. Let's go to Starbucks.
Let's go to Starbucks. Starbucks always nice.
Hi honey. So what do you have?
Starbucks always good.
Are you endorsing a Starbucks?
Huh?
Are you endorsing Starbucks?
No.
This is
but
not paid
not
endorsement.
paid. They put my name properly today. Big stomach. That's little Starbucks.
And also I see that the staff here speak really good English.
Very nice English they speak. Really big stomach.
Sometimes it feels like I'm all alone. Sometimes life just ain't enough. No matter what I do or where I go.
I just arrived to the domestic terminal in Lombok airport. We are going back to Bali again. I said that a few days ago and now I'm saying again. We will see you on the other side when after the checkpoints. All right, the current situation looks like this. Winnie is sleeping. Our flight is messed up. The airline asked us to come earlier 3 hours because the flight was rescheduled, just to let us know after check-in as the flight is on schedule. So we have to wait 3 hours and potentially will be delayed for I don't know how many hours because all the flights are delayed today. Welcome to Indonesia again. Meanwhile, Winnie is sleeping currently. This is how my traveling with Winnie in the future potentially gonna look like. I gonna answering your comments, editing videos, stuff like this, and Winnie will sleeping in Starbucks. Little update of the current situation, guys. Everything is messed up. Actually, nobody knows what's going on. As usual, flying by Lion, guys. Keep it in mind. I hope so. We're gonna come back to Bali. I will let you know when we are in the plane, if we're gonna be in the plane today. You know when the airlines messed up, when they already giving you food. How many hours already delayed? 4 in Lombok. Okay, and still few to go. So that's the food what you can expect. Like this, yummy. All right, so eventually we are boarding now to the wings. There's delayed only 4 hours and 30 minutes, 4.5 hours, and the flight is only 20-30 minutes, so it's not that bad, guys. But yeah, when you're traveling in Indonesia, especially on the very regional roads, like you're not going to Jakarta, but you are going to Lombok or somewhere, you have to expect that. That's pretty common thing, and everybody who lives in Indonesia will consider that. Anyway, this is our plane. Quick checking as always, and there is very interesting plane. I will make a shot for you. So this is the queue to the plane. Many people. Our seats are actually at the front, but there is door only at the back, so it doesn't really matter. Better to wait. But check this out. This plane, I think this plane is made to land in the water, right? Something like that. And yeah, everybody are so chilled. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Those planes are that cool. When I'm standing, it's like maybe 5 centimeters to the roof. I have a friend who have over 2 meters long, so I don't know, maybe you like this.
It seems like I'm aiming far too low. You and I still have something. We still have somewhere to go. So why don't you come over? So why don't you come over? Why don't you come over? Why don't you come over?
Thank you, bye bye. Alright, we arrived. Sayang, we landed in Bali lah. Sayang, I forgot to tell you, when I was small kid, I wanted to be a pilot, you know. But eventually I became the traveler instead of being a pilot. Okay guys, welcome to Bali. We're gonna grab some taxi grab. Alright, so this is the domestic arrival in Bali airport. At the end, I'm just gonna show you, as it's quite busy. Of course, there are more flights from all around, many especially from Java Island and stuff like this. So quite many people coming. Gus, Lani, Ros, Vivira, that's Balinese or Indonesian name. Ricky, no. No? Well, taxi for me, no taxis in Bali. Hello, welcome to Bali. I'm Damian. So this lovely lady find out the promo 25% by Grab, paying by OVO. So good. We go home, Saya. Also the situation here outside the terminal seems quite busy. Many people, many cars, many taxi drivers here actually, they waiting for you. Pretty busy. Gonna wait a few minutes until our car gonna arrive. But that's mean Bali is getting back. At least, but mostly local people obviously, right? And we will see you tomorrow on next one, yeah? On next one, bye bye.